Hi and welcome back to our channel. When I googled how to serve bratwurst, I have found many different ways that I've never seen before. And therefore, in this video, I would like to show you how to serve bratwurst traditionally. And if you wonder how the Germans prepared bratwurst in a pan, there is also another video where I show exact that. But anyway, without further ado, let's just start. So, ta-da! One of the most basic ways to serve bratwurst is for sure with a bread. And that's usually bread that is called Mischbrot, Graubrot or Schwarzbrot, which contains rye and white flour. And this dish wouldn't be completed without mustard and sometimes also horseradish. And there you are, one of the most basic ways to serve bratwurst. To make this dish more filly, some of the restaurants also serve bratwurst with sauerkraut. Sauerkraut in Germany is usually eaten warm, and there are also different variations on how to prepare sauerkraut here in Germany, depending on the region and family recipe, I guess. In Hessen, we like serving it very plain, but for example, in Franconia, they love seasoning it with caraway seeds. Another traditional way of serving bratwurst is with mashed potatoes. This dish is also expandable and not only with a mustard. Some Germans enjoy their bratwurst with fried onions on the top. And there you go, for me it does look perfect already. But this is not when the video is gonna end. Another traditional way to serve a bratwurst is with a roast sauce. I don't know what about in your country, but in Germany you can buy in the German supermarkets a roast sauce that you can use, but you can also make one from scratch. And for this, you're gonna need butter, onions that you're gonna fry until tender. Then you can add also some red wine. Red wine always gives the sauce a very nice flavor. And at this point, you need to wait until the red wine evaporates. And then you are ready to add the flour. That makes the sauce thick. By the way, this recipe is my invention and I'm not a chef, so sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. At this point, you can also add a little more butter, especially when you see that the flour sticks to the pot. You cook all that on a medium heat for at least 3 minutes. At this point, your sauce is ready for the next step. Now I will be adding to it Bratensoße, so the roast fond. And now we are almost done. I also added to the sauce some tomato puree and garlic, and then I blend the whole thing. At this point, you can add some seasoning to the sauce like pepper, thyme, and salt, but don't go overboard with it. You don't want to end up having sauce that tastes Italian. So there you go, another typical way to serve bratwurst in Germany with a Bratensoße, so roast sauce. Some people also like serving their bratwurst with onion sauce instead. This dish is inspired by the Swiss recipe because this is the traditional way how they served bratwurst in St. Gallen. In this case, the sauce is made of butter, flour, fond, tomato puree, and sometimes also wine. I think this is one of my favorite variations to serve a bratwurst. And another traditional way to serve a bratwurst is with a plain mustard and also white bread roll. This is the most popular way how the bratwurst is served at the food markets. But also in Freiburg we have found a bratwurst that was served with a mustard and fried onions, but that's not typical for the whole Germany. It's only a regional way of serving bratwurst. And by the way, the bratwurst is called lange rote, and the interesting fact is that the bratwurst doesn't have a skin. We also love serving bratwurst with potato salad, especially at the grill parties. As you probably know, there are plenty of German recipes for a potato salad. I made mine with mayo dressing, and the salad, a part of potatoes, also consisted red onions and pickles. In the south of Germany, there are potato salads that are served without mayo dressing, just with oil, vinegar and stock dressing. If you are interested how to make different German potato salads, I would like to encourage you to watch this video. I will put the link to it in the description box down below and in the top right corner. And by the way, not only at the grill parties the bratwurst is served that way, also some restaurants serve the bratwurst with potato salad. And also, when talking about the salads, another traditional way of serving bratwurst, especially at the grill party, is with a Nudelsalat. The classic German Nudelsalat is made of noodles, peas, carrots, pickles, and also ham, as well as onions. And as you can see, the noodle salad is made with a mayo dressing. And I think that it was invented as an alternative to the potato salad because, let's be honest, to make potato salad is more time consuming. And when talking about the salads that are served with a bratwurst at the grill parties, we cannot miss the Krautsalat, so the cabbage salad. German cabbage is very simple. It contains white cabbage, oil, vinegar, sugar, salt, and raw onion. Another traditional dish with a bratwurst is the Currywurst. In Frankfurt, you can get your Currywurst with a bread or fries. In this case, the bratwurst is cut into bite-sized chunks and seasoned with a ketchup or curry ketchup, and then spiced also on the top with curry powders that have got a different level of spiciness. And if you are interested how to make the currywurst sauce, there is a whole video about that. And often fast food vendors that serve bratwurst also offer the sausage with a fries. You can eat it with a plain fries, but also fries with a ketchup and or mayo, and also fresh onions on the top. But I think that this way of serving fries comes actually from Netherlands. And by the way, German fries are served with a special seasoning, which is called Pommes Gewürz, which contains salt, paprika powder, onion powder, pepper, and mace. And it also gives the fries a smoky aroma. And talking about fried potatoes, we also like serving our bratwurst with pan-fried potatoes. For this, I cut my potatoes into slices and then fry it on butter until they get brown and crispy. And by the way, if you wonder how to make the German pan-fried potatoes, there is a video on this channel just about that. But anyway, bratwurst with a pan-fried potatoes is also served with a mustard. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please let me know in the comments down below, how do you like serving your bratwurst? Like a German or not? I am very sorry that I haven't posted any video last week, but all three of us were sick and are still not 100% healthy. And trust me, when the baby is sick, it's very challenging. If you would like to know a little bit more about the German bratwurst, there is the video for you to watch. And next week I will be already starting a holiday series for you, because we are moving to Christmas and New Year's Eve period here in Germany. Stay safe and healthy, and I see you in my next one. Bye!